Hey guys, so today we are looking a mess. Today, I look like this every day. We are going to be doing dermaplaning, also known as face shaving, exfoliating, getting rid of the peach fuzz, whatever. So anyway, I know there's probably like tons of videos on this, but that might be kind of fun to do. I've been doing this for a long time anyways, so the brand I will be using is TINKLE. It's a brand new guy. They're super cheap. I think it's a pack of 12 for like $5, $5.97 or something like that. I don't know. Really cheap. And I reuse them. Some people don't. I don't reuse them a lot because they kind of get dull, but I will say that if you are going to reuse them, make sure you clean them off with alcohol prior, like after you use them and then prior to your next use, because otherwise bacteria gets in there. It's not a good thing. Don't do it. Also, I would like to stress, disclaimer right here, that I am in no way, shape, or form telling you to do this. So, especially if you are a minor or a very young person, you could hurt yourself. So don't do it. If you really want to do it, talk to your parents, or yeah, just you don't need to do this when you're younger. Just wait until you're older, to be honest. But anyway, I am in no way, shape, or form endorsing this. You can get it professionally done, which is something I'd like to do someday. I think that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, so don't do it because it is a razor that you're taking to your face, and you can cut your face, and that wouldn't be good. So yeah, don't do it if you are, like I said, a younger person, somebody who is not a responsible age to use this. Also, even if you are at a responsible age, just make sure you're very careful because, like I said, it is a razor you're taking to your face. I am simply just showing you what I do, why I do it, how I do it, and that's basically it. I'm not telling you to do this. Again, I'm not telling you to do this. Don't do it. I mean, you can if you want to, but I'm not telling you to do it. If you do it, it's because you want to. It's your own thing. Has nothing to do with me. Okay, so back to these. These are TINKLE. I'm going to take one. So I took a shower. My face is clean. I have not put any moisturizer on. So I don't really like the way my face feels right now because I am weird. I don't like the way my face feels without any moisturizer. I don't really do anything to prep my skin. I just make sure that it's clean. Sometimes I use the Dr. Brandt little wipes. I think they're called something with a peel, super gentle peel. I don't remember. It's like a number 1, number 2 wipe. I will probably put a link or a description in this video because I clearly don't know what I'm talking about right now. But I just do clean skin because if you like have makeup on or anything else, like it's just gonna clog your razor and like make you more susceptible to getting like bacteria in your pores. Just make sure that anytime you use razors, it's a clean environment. That's what I like. Also, one thing I do want to say is if you have any blemishes or any open sores on your face, you should probably not do this. These are just bumps. I am using a 5x magnification mirror because I can really get in there and see. So what I do is I start right here. So what I do is I grab my sideburns so you can see my ear. And because you don't want to grab like the longer hair. So I grab whatever hair is like long, okay? So that leaves me just these little short guys right here, okay? So I kind of like do it multiple times just so I can make sure that I don't shave off like my sideburn. So I kind of just do that, and then I just hold it at like I'm gonna say like 30-degree angle, I'd say. And I just kind of go in an angle downwards. Can you hear that? That sounds so weird. Like that's like sideburn. Oops. And skin. But yeah, so I kind of just go downwards. I kind of make it straighter, and I just go at an angle. Because you don't want to go too hardcore because you don't want it to look like you shaved your sideburns. I kind of just go a little bit up my ear. Boom. See, a lot of hair came off and it looks natural. Like I still have this going on, this messiness, but yeah. I'm just making sure that I got all of that. It's kind of gross too, like if you look at all the skin that comes up, it's like, ew. So, I don't know if you guys can see this right here. This is like a whole lot of little hair and skin and stuff. So, I do that first, okay? Then, I will bring it on this area. So, and just kind of be gentle because you can kind of tell if you're pushing too hard. Like, it's okay. I've noticed I get like a little bit red, but you don't want to push too hard, put too much pressure, because it doesn't take a lot of pressure, because you can cut yourself. And like, there's like these little, I don't know, like little, looks like a little comb thing on the side of the razor. I don't know if you can see that, but grab this hair right here, because one time I literally just like chopped off a piece of my hair. I will bring it all the way down. I also, for the top part, I kind of just do like a light little thing on the top. That one kind of had a lot. And I like to get like this little section between the hairline and the eyebrows, because it just helps me to do my brows better. I get like these random fuzzies up here, and so what I do is I just try to take this at an angle and I just very lightly bring it up to where my brow goes, just so I can kind of just like straighten up the line of it, you know. And sometimes after I've groomed my brows, I'll take it and just go under here. But be careful, because you can get your eyelashes. So just be safe. And then I also do right here, just because I feel like I get a lot of extra like dead skin right here. So I don't really have a whole lot of hair that grows right here. I have like a couple like little light ones, short ones that grow. But just so I can get some of that, because I feel like I always get like a clogged pore right here. Like, so like I have like a blemish right there, and I feel like it's because I haven't done this in a while. I just feel like I have like I get clogged right there, so I do that. Next, I go through my nose, because I get like a dry nose sometimes, and I have a hard time getting like the rough skin off. Gotta be very, very careful when you do like around your nose, especially like anything that's contoured, because you can cut yourself. After I do this, I like to go in with one of these guys, the Sephora charcoal nose strip. So I'm gonna go put that on, and then I will come back in here and I'm gonna take it off. But I gotta leave on for like 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna go and maybe do some stuff on the computer for those 15 minutes, but I would be back. I just took off the nose mask, which you can see evidence. There's some gray stuff on my nose. So I was gonna wash my face and then come back in here and then show you what I use as an eye cream and moisturizer. But I remembered that I don't remember who I was talking to one day, and they told me about this weird face mask, and it's like, when you make it home, it's very simple, and I wanted to try it out because she swears that it like does something to your face. So I felt like, since I just got through shaving my face, I could do this. So what I have in this bowl is just like the ugly, nasty banana, like the brown one that you use for banana bread if you want to use that, but when you're about ready to throw it away, but not when it's like molded and nasty, because you don't want that. I have a mashed up banana in here. It looks gross, but I kind of want to take a lick. Just joking. Apparently you just mash up an older banana and put it on your face and then leave it on for 5 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. I didn't think this through. I feel like I should have done this in the bathroom. But anyways, I don't even know how I'm supposed to apply this. Like, I don't even know. Okay. All right, we're gonna get this. Okay, all right. Okay, so I think I probably should have mashed a little more because it's kind of chunky, but I'm still getting like some banana liquid on there. So let's see what this does. So I definitely don't think you need a whole banana for one person's face. So if you still want to make banana bread, I mean, I guess you could always just use the extra. Just joking. But so anyway, I'm still getting like the juices from it. So I'm like nervous to put it on my forehead. I feel like it's gonna leak down into my eyes. I'm nervous. Looks pretty gross, but it's a banana, so whatever. That was chunky, and I'm just gonna get like the liquids. I'm not really gonna mess with the chunks. I'm just gonna like dip my finger in there and get the liquid part of it and just put that on my face. Now I have banana in my hair. And I already took a shower and washed my hair, so. Oh, that looks disgusting. That looks so gross. Oh, it went in my nose. Anyway. So, we are banana-ing up our face here. Okay. Anyway. So, I also put some a sleeping mask on my lips. Obviously, it's not bedtime and it's daytime, but my lips got like really chapped. I think it's because like the seasons were changing, and I've been putting on chapstick like a lot, and I know so one time like I went like this and like they all split and they got like kind of swollen. I don't know what that was about. So we are moisturizing that right now. So you know what I kind of feel like? I feel like that scene in Mrs. Doubtfire when she has cream, like she dips her head or her face in the cake. Is it a cake or a pie? I think it's a pie. Anyway, and it's like dripping down. Like that's what I feel like right now because it looks all chunky and weird. But it like actually feels pretty good. It's supposed to like brighten and like rejuvenate. Besides, anyway, so I am going to leave this on for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to wash it off. I'm gonna go wash my face, and I'll be back so I can show you what eye cream I use and what moisturizer I use. And yeah, the banana just made my face feel kind of like calmed down, if that makes sense. Like it just felt like, I don't know, does my face look brighter? Anyway, the cleanser that I use is, sorry, it's wet right now, is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I love this stuff. It's really gentle. It doesn't make your face feel like stripped of moisture, which I really like. And it can take off my makeup. So if you put it a little bit on your fingers, it's safe to use in your eyes, not in them, on them. And so I don't know, I just really like it a lot. And like it smells so good and it has like natural products in it. So I really like Glow Recipe. And I actually like this stuff too. The Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. That's not what I'm gonna be using today. First, I really like the Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel. I do not like eye creams. I only like eye gels because eye creams, I feel like make my concealer move and I just don't care for it. And I like gels because I feel like they absorb into your skin quicker. And that's really what I'm concerned with. I want it to absorb in so my skin can have all the nutrients. I don't want to have it just sitting on the surface not getting absorbed anywhere because that's not going to do me any good, you know? So I use this. I think I might switch to the vitamin C one. I forgot what it's called when I buy. I'm almost out. This will last me about a good like 2 weeks maybe. I'm going to buy the orange one, the vitamin C one, because I'm of a certain age now. So I think I got to always step it up. Anyways, I'll post links for these below. But so this one, I just get a half a pump to start with. I use my 2 ring fingers and I just kind of make sure I have this about the same amount of product on both sides. And I will dab it. And I go all the way on my eyelids and on my brow bone. And then I will rub it in. But you gotta be really gentle with your eye area because all that pulling and tugging is not the greatest for your skin. And I recently started putting some like on my lid. I don't even know if you're supposed to, but I recently started to. I have always gone into like my crease area, just following my brow bone. But I feel like I saw somebody putting it on their eyelid. And while I wouldn't recommend rubbing all up in there, I kind of dab a little bit like you just saw. But I like to bring it out right here too, because I feel like I just want some extra moisture right there. Because I kind of get kind of dry in this whole little section right here. So I try to make sure I show that area just a little extra love. I'm going to use this for the first time. This is not my first time using it. I did get a sample and I was in love. So it comes like this. Isn't that super adorable? And you get it and it has a little seal on it. But what's super cute about it is they give you a little golden spoon. And you just slide it out and that's what you're supposed to get your product out with. And I thought that was super cute and clever. So let me take off the seal from it. And I noticed with my sample, I didn't have to use a lot. I just love their packaging. Like I appreciate the little things like this spoon. Honestly, like that's such like a nice little gesture. Like it just makes it seem so much more exclusive, I guess, you know, and like worth something. Like I always like when they go a little extra. So get your little spoon and you literally don't need it very much. Like that's probably too much. I literally only use like, this is me overdoing it just because I want to put a lot of moisturizer on my face. I'm literally going to use that much. And that's all you need. So I put this on my hand. Oh, and it's cute. It says beautiful faces, beautiful futures. One purchase equals one day of school. That's super cool. I like the word TATCHA. I have a cousin named Natasha, and my grandpa used to like say her name like TATCHA. And I always thought it was so cute. So it reminds me of grandpa. So shout out to my cousin Tasha. What's up? But yeah, anyways, tiny bit on my forehead. Literally just a dab. And it feels so good. I love this stuff. And I literally just put like that much. Just evenly distributing it throughout my face. Like it's kind of pricey, but let me tell you, it's worth it. And this, like, it's gonna last a long time. I can already tell because I literally use like what, a pea size amount, and you get 1.7 fluid ounces. So that's pretty good. Oh my god, guys, that feels so good.